welcome back to another video. Today won't be a normal install video. A couple of videos ago we replaced a resonator on one of the Mustangs with an X-pipe, and we were curious at least to see what was inside a resonator. So this video we're going to cut a giant hole right here and see what's inside a resonator. Alright, so I cut about a quarter of a way through, and look how thick this is. This is ridiculous. No wonder these things are so heavy. And I'm guessing, well, I'm sure this is all fiberglass, so I don't want to touch any of it, even though I have gloves on. Oh, never mind. Yep. I don't think I should breathe this stuff in. Look at all that.
Oh god. A lot of fiberglass. Oh, this is steam so really hot. Wow. Alright, that's a lot. Alright.
I mean, there's nothing much to it, just a bunch of fiberglass and tubes. Let's see if I can. Oh, look. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why this one has holes and the other one doesn't. I'm assuming it's all the same inside. I guess this is how far I'm gonna go. I don't think it'll be worth to cut the entire thing. Let's see if I can. Oh no, look, there's a wall right here. Never mind. I guess I should cut the entire thing. Wow, that's a lot of fiberglass. Alright, I guess I'm gonna cut this side and see what's in that side. Alright, I just finished, or at least I tried to finish cutting this entire thing. But I don't know if you can see right here, there's welds and there's a wall right here. And it's pretty much this is it, just more tubing. But one thing I'm curious about is why this side doesn't have all that fiberglass stuff. That was just one thing that came in mind. Well, not gonna lie to you, this video was pretty lame. I guess this is it. I mean, there's nothing else to it besides a bunch of tubes and fiberglass, which itches like crazy, but it's my fault, I guess. There's another one in there. Alright.